Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 10 in its jet black color. This Apple Watch was released fairly recently, within the last week or so, and I thought I'd pick one up for myself. So let's get straight into it. So this particular Apple Watch that I've ordered is the 42mm jet black aluminium option, and it's also the GPS only model. And I've opted to go for the ink colored Sport Loop band as well to try something a little bit different. Now this watch will be replacing my older first generation Apple Watch SE. It's served me very well over the years, but the main limitation at the moment is it's at 74% battery health. So after 4 years, I figured it's time for an upgrade. So this will fit the bill quite nicely, and it should be nice to get into using it. So let's get straight into the unboxing. You can see on the front it says Apple Watch. It's actually engraved into the packaging, which is quite nice. On the top and bottom, there's nothing really. On the left-hand side, there's nothing. On the right-hand side, you've got the new carbon neutral logo to signify that this is a carbon neutral product that Apple sells. And then around the back, we've got some more details about the product. It says here includes Apple Watch band and USB-C charge cable. And you can see the one I specifically got, Apple Watch Series 10 42mm jet black aluminium ink Sport Loop GPS. So we'll get into opening this up here. So we'll grab one and then the other tag here. There we go. And then we can just open it up like so. You can see that the Apple Watch itself is on the top, and then we've also got the Sport Loop band underneath. So we'll take those two out and we'll put this packaging to the side for now. And we might take a little look at the Apple Watch itself first. So we can see here's the Apple Watch. It's got a picture of it on the front. Once again, it's a little bit raised. And then on the side, you can see it says Series 10 jet black aluminium case. That was on the right-hand side only there. On the top and bottom, there's nothing. And then on the back, once again, you can see it says Apple Watch Series 10 42mm jet black aluminium ink Sport Loop GPS. So we got it there. And now what we can simply do is pull these pull tabs here. So I'll just open these up here. One, there we go, and we'll do the other one. There we go. And now what we can do is open it up. You can see here we've got the Apple Watch itself, and we've also got some documentation. We'll have a quick look at that first. Open it up here. Oh, well, this is actually the charging cable. It's a braided USB-C to magnetic Apple Watch fast charger. So if you use that with a USB-C brick, it should fast charge it as long as it's got enough wattage provided. So that's good, and it's also nice that it's braided. And then we've just got some other documentation and sort of regulatory information in there. Now let's have a quick look at the Apple Watch itself. So we'll try and slide it out of its protective casing here. There we go. And it's actually booting up for the first time. I must have bumped the button there. And you can see, we can see the Apple Watch itself. So it's in this really nice jet black shiny finish, as you can see here. It is booting up here, and you can see we've got the redesigned speaker grills on the side. We've got the new screen on the front, which looks really nice. And we've also got the connectors. And also on the back, we've got all those sensors that we've seen for the past few years, and we can see it says Series 10. So what we'll do now is we'll put that to the side, and we'll now have a quick look at the band. So we can put these things to the side for now, and we'll have a quick look at unboxing this Sport Loop band in the ink color. So once again, if we turn it around, you can see there's some more details about the product. It says Sport Loop with the hook and loop closure. So once again, we'll pull this pull tab down. There we go. And we can open it up. And we've got the Sport Loop band itself. Got a little bit of information about how to attach it. I'll show you that in a moment. And then we can just pull it out as neatly as possible from the cardboard packaging. There we go. And there should be nothing else really in this packet, as you can see there. Now what we'll do is we'll try and quickly attach this to the Apple Watch. So see if I can work out which way this goes here. All right, so we'll see if we can put this on here fairly easily. So we should just be able to slide it into the top. It's a relatively snug fit there. And then also slide it in to the bottom, like so. There we go. We can loosen it up and then it can go around like that. Now what we can also do here, I might just take my older watch off for a moment. And we might put this new one on. So if we loosen it up, should be able to get it around my wrist and then pull the strap tight. Might take a little bit of getting used to this. I've been quite used to the rubber sports band, but I thought it was nice to go for a change here. And you can see here that it's all on my wrist and it looks quite nice overall. So yeah, that's the new Apple Watch Series 10 for you. I'll just take it off again. I think this band will be quite nice once I get a bit more used to it. If I can pull it off here, that would be great. And there we go. So yeah, this new watch I think will be really good overall. It's a nice upgrade from the SE. We can have a quick little look at the comparison here. They're both the smaller sizes of their time. So the SE is in the 40mm and the Series 10 is in the 42mm. So it's grown ever so slightly, but it sort of all links in quite nicely overall. And it should be a really nice upgrade. The display should be nicer, it should be brighter, more viewable from different angles. And it should also be a lot faster, and we will have that nice always on display as well. So it'll be really great. And if you have any other questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And if you'd like to see a review of this product after a little while of usage, I can definitely make that. So let me know down in the comments below, because I'm more than happy to make that if you would like to see that. And with that, that's pretty much the unboxing experience of the Apple Watch Series 10. Hopefully this was helpful and it's given you a good idea of what the unboxing experience for this product is like overall and whether you might want to pick up one for yourself. Also, hopefully helps to see what the Ink Sport Band looks like overall in the jet black color. So I think this looks really nice and I'm really excited to get into wearing it. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.